Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Matt here, Matt in the morning. Welcome back to another episode. And I have two special guests once again. Forget your names. What was your name?
Adeline.
That's Adeline. And what was your name, Tiny?
Dave.
And Davis Noel. So today we're doing something that I found just scrolling around through Instagram. It was a reel that popped up. And we're calling it, what are we calling this? Walking Tacos Cups, I guess. So we're taking the idea of what I saw on Instagram and we're just doing something a little bit different with it. Excited to do it and wanted to bring the ladies on to co-host because this is another thing that if you have kids, you can incorporate, with your kids doing, get them involved in it. So let's go down below here and show you what we got, and I'll get them to do the beginning part here. So hang on one second. Okay, so as you can see down below, what we have is a muffin tin with Doritos in it. Now we want to get these smashed up, so I already have the second pan on top of the first one. But just want to do it like this to show you. So put some Doritos or whatever kind of chips you got. Now Adeline Bell, lean forward and push down on this. Yeah, push on this. Yeah, push, because we're going to smush the chips underneath it. Davis Noel, push on this. Okay. Good job, guys. Good job. You guys did so great. There you go. Doing great. Doing great. Okay, good enough.
Yeah, it is.
Anyways, so, ta-da. There's what you got once you smash them. Okay, now, that's fun with the kids, of course, to get them involved. You can just put the chips in a baggie, crunch them up, drop them in. It's fine. So, anyways, next up is cheese. We're going to add cheese to this. So, let me do this part here. We'll do a little cheese, and we're going to do a little more cheese. I'll let you guys top it with cheese when we're done here.
I love cheese.
You love cheese food? Yeah, we all. Cheese is great.
Some people don't like cheese.
Some people don't like cheese, I'm sure. Some people are allergic to dairy. So, once you do that, you just want to kind of mix them up a little bit. Get those crunch. Again, you could crunch these chips up in a baggie. Mix it with shredded cheese, and just plop this in as one thing. But again, we're doing something that's engaging the tiny ones. Okay, so at this point, I have them crushed up and mixed up. It showed her like pushing down, making a little indent, but that's not really working too great. So we're going to skip that step. This thing may not even turn out, but let's see. Okay, guys, let me do this part with the meat, okay? So then you're just going to we made taco meat to go into ours. The video I saw, she used chili. So, hang on, we have a question. Yes, Adeline Bell.
Can I get a drink of water quick?
Yes, you can.
I want to drink a water too.
What?
I want to drink a water too.
Okay, yes, you can go get some water. So, anyways, chips of your choice, cheese of your choice, crunch them up, mix them up, protein of your choice. What we're going to do also is Adeline Bell's very picky, so I'm not going to add onions and peppers or jalapenos to all of them, but I'm going to add it to a couple of them. So, as you can see, super versatile. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some onions. This is just off of mirepoix. So, and I'm just going to do it on these two here. I'll leave the rest plain just for Adeline Bell. I'm also going to add a little bit of jalapeno to both of them. Okay, I will in 1 second. Add a little bit of jalapeno. All right. So at this point, Adeline Bell, why don't you put some cheese on those two? Top it with cheese.
I'll do it.
Yep, and then you'll do your two. Yep, there you go.
I took this.
There you go.
I want to do these too.
Yep, hang on a second. All right, good job. Okay, Davis, do your two. Let her do her two. Why not? Good job. One more.
And one more.
Good job, good job.
One way down.
Okay, as you can see, that's it. So far, not much to it. Super simple. Very versatile, right? You could change any one of these ingredients up. Whatever. Crushed chips. Use whatever you want. So, anyways, they've ran off with the bag of shredded cheese. So, I'm going to put this in the oven at 350, maybe 15 or 20 minutes. I don't know. I'm just going to wait until the cheese is melted and bubbly. I'll try to time it, and I'll pull it out. We'll come back, see what we got. Okay. 350 for 15 minutes. These things were done. Now, keep in mind, too, the beef, the ground beef, the taco mix, I'd already made it. And just 5 minutes before starting the video, so it was still good and warm. You know, at oven times will vary. Anyways. So, again, as you can see down below, that's the final product. And let's pull one out and see how easily these come out. Hang on. Boom. Just like that. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, now here's the real test. Do they like them? So give me a minute. We're going to eat lunch, and let's get the ladies' opinion on if this really is. Because I could sit here and tell you, oh, this is a great family-friendly dish. You know, get everybody involved. It'll be so much fun. But if at the end of the day they don't like them, what are you going to do? Anyways, be back. All right, Adeline Bell. This is your second bite here. What's your thoughts here?
I love it. It's like the best walking tacos ever. I love it.
Adeline Bell, would you say that this is your favorite way to have walking tacos? Is walking taco cups?
Yes, probably. Yes, yeah.
Daddy, please.
Okay.
Please tell me.
Okay. All right, Davis Noel, what do you think?
It's really good.
Really good. Could you have this every week?
No.
No, you couldn't. You don't want to eat this every week?
Yeah?
Okay. So, mixed results from Davis Noel, but we'll take it. Well, there we go. That was a hit with the little ones. There we are right there. So on mine, the one I had, as you saw, I had jalapenos, but on the plating, I also put some sour cream over it, some more jalapenos. I quartered up some cherry tomatoes, put those around it. So just a little something to elevate it. Sosa mentioned something you could do is take avocado, sour cream, throw it in a blender, mix it up. That'd be a great sauce to put on this as well. So, or whatever you want, depending on what you do, right? All these ingredients you can swap out and get creative and make it your own. So, great dish, kid approved. They can help make them. They love eating them. That's a win. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.